Hey guys, it's your boy Cold Teasy back with our man Cold Easy, and today we're playing against the Pelicans. We're facing the nice, beautiful Zion Williamson. You know him.
From past
Honestly, I'm quite
WNBA
scared.
Players, who is your all-time starting five?
But it's fine.
I gotta have Coach Daly as my PC. We have
I don't care. How did I get that right? I just guessed. I hit all the buttons at once.
And then,
Whatever.
Candace Parker at my 4. I think that's a legit squad.
That is a legit. What?
I'm just thinking about how other people do.
That is a 15.
Finally, let's go. Okay, yay.
This is Hack and the Hornet on 98.9.
There we are. Aren't we just so beautiful?
It's go time for the Pelicans here at home.
Yes,
Here they
it
are
is.
coming down the tunnel
It is
earlier in their
100% go
practice
time.
And the game arrival, sponsored
It's time
by Express,
for us to win.
The Mississippi River and the
They cannot
skyline
defeat
of
us.
New Orleans, as beautiful as ever on this and with tip-off. Well, they are fun to watch.
Oh, there he is. She's so beautiful. So beautiful, you know.
Check out who the New Orleans Pelicans have coming up on Thursday. We're taking on Paul Millsap. And then on Saturday.
We somehow got the tip off. But I'm on the bench for it. Woohoo. It's tied. Honestly, it shouldn't be like this if you think about it, because we have stars and they don't. They have Zion. Don't doubt Zion. Zion will dunk on you if you doubt him. But I'll dunk on you if you doubt me. Right? You should be scared of me. See? I got the rebound. Draymond's got it. I don't know why I thought that. That's ridiculous. See, Zion's just gonna get the rebounds. Scary. Scary. It's Lonzo. Lonzo ball! Troy Den would be proud. Troy Den would be proud.
Let's see some numbers here on Steph Curry. Last season, he played outstanding. He put up about 27 points per game last season, 5 assists and 5
I'm just gonna stand here. You know, just stand here.
Fantastic scoring production from him.
Yay! He did it! Woohoo!
Really stepped up, and he's really delivered.
This is my land. This is where I live. No, that was mine! You violated my land!
And here's Green. He'll bring it up for Golden State. They want to keep rolling here following the win against.
Why? You're mean. You're a bully.
When they needed it most. On the road, having to manufacture points.
Yeah, and watching that.
Yay! I did it.
Contributions and just little things that guys were doing to chip in for that win.
And oh boy,
Draymond! You can get around contact.
Well, whether you love him or hate him, you can't deny that.
But that's where I'm wrong. Haha. Okay, I'm gonna get the rebound. It's mine. Aw. I can do it, Drew Holiday.
Emotional leader, truly a special player. Looking who's out there now for the Pelicans. Okafor's checked in for favors.
Huh. Not if I have anything to say about it. Wait, that doesn't make sense. You don't make sense!
Well, that basket must be widening out right now, Kevin. He's making almost
I'm sorry.
every shot.
Billy's talking to me again.
Now the pass to Pascal. Fires from the wing.
Yeah, I can shoot. Don't know how, but whatever.
They want a roof for out there. Che does a lot of great work away from the game.
Here's Okafor, and he gets the whistle. 2 free throws coming up.
Aw. I didn't mean to foul you, buddy. I'm sorry. Can we be best friends? No, we can't be best friends. Not even I agree with that.
Still strong, but
I can obviously see.
as before.
You wonder if the loss of a lot of that experience is going to cost.
See, I'm getting a lot of playtime, which makes me happy.
Watch them shoot threes, but if it's so reliant on that defense, can they be that good this season.
I think that the Lakers gave up a bit too much for Anthony Davis.
Well, raise your hand if you want.
We aren't even sure if he'll stay next year on the Lakers, so... Honestly, the Pelicans won, because they have many future stars. And yeah, I do think that most of them will become a star. Brandon Ingram was an all-star this year. Quite honestly, though, I feel bad for them, because a lot of them were drafted to the Lakers. So, that was basically the only place they knew.
Here in the second quarter, we've played a little over 2.5 minutes now. Curry can't get it to go.
Give me the rebound. Give me the ball. It's mine.
And so it looks like the Pelicans will retain possession here.
I don't care if you grab it. I still grab it. It's mine.
17th and three-point field goal percentage, and amongst the league's top-tier scorers, top 20 in points.
And remember, like I said, this is not even my first build. It's not even close to my best build. If we get 10 likes on this video, I will do an episode only with my other build. I will show you guys my best build. This is just the one that you guys know, though.
And he could not get that one to go. Out of contact, and he'll go to the line for two. It goes on Brandon Ingram.
Yeah, we know he's undersized for the position, but Draymond Green does the work.
Draymond is just doing stuff.
How he forces the D that time to foul.
Yeah, in this quarter, they've had the right approach, driving and drawing, initiating contact, create opportunities, get to the line. Ball feeling it out a bit.
I didn't leave my assignment. Game's stupid. I didn't do that. No, I would never do that.
And Reddick kicks the ball. Pass to Ingram. 4 on the shot clock. From outside, off the mark. Warriors trail by 3.
I have a new slogan. We shall now be known for saying, "Give me the rebound."
He feeds it to Green. Wiggins passes to Curry. To the middle. Lets it go from 11.
Why? Why would you do that? I wanted you to do a layup. 2K. 2K, man. Why? Why would you do that? Why? I'm raging. This is my rage. Rawr.
And playing with a lot of fire now.
Haha. That didn't work. That was supposed to be a pick.
Well, but didn't let that discourage them, and now they're showing what they can do.
What? Hold up! What just happened?
2 for 1, probably the way to go.
What was that? What just happened? I'm so confused.
Inside. Lays it up and banks it in.
2K. 2K, man.
You know, he's had better starts, obviously.
It's fine.
Shaking it off here in the second.
Yes!
Kay gets it to go on the assist by Curry.
No one can stop me. I'm too bad. Because I'm 63 overall in 2K eyes.
Ingram's got the lead up to 7 now for the Pelicans. They should continue to get the ball inside. The defense struggling.
Lonzo. Lonzo dead. Lonzo's actually alive.
Ball against Curry. Jacks up a 3. Here's Green.
No, Draymond. Draymond. Why?
Green's got 5.
More of an instinctual play
Oh.
right there from Draymond. Just anticipated that.
2K. That is twice in oh 2K. Why? That's so dumb. That's literally not how that works.
Yeah, that's a tough call there with the naked eye. Fortunately, the league's replay center able to slow it down. Zoom it
That
in.
doesn't make sense. And he did the call stands,
Ball's gonna be overturned. The second look.
which means that it won't be overturned. That doesn't make sense. 2K, bro.
Thank you, David. And
What do you
right
think you're
back
doing?
after halftime to start the third quarter. See you in just a bit.
Okay, let's go ahead and get into the next half. Because I don't know.
Those of you just tuning in,
Doesn't make
thanks for being
sense.
with us. The The second half of this game.
Nothing makes sense. I don't know why. Why it did this to me.
If you're choosing a center for the team that you
I'll throw it. Woohoo!
you've got these
I don't know how that actually got to him.
big camp.
And I don't know how that went in.
You go.
Nothing makes sense anymore. Nothing
Games, Kevin.
is
I
anything.
appreciate what Jokic does so much for that Denver Nuggets.
Oh.
I'm gonna have to go with Embiid and the way that he can dominate.
Dang, I missed.
There's still so much potential and growth for what it is that he can do. Down on the block, doing damage, taking away a lot of 3-point shots, but not to disparage what it is that
I'm gonna
Towns
block
can
you
do.
like
His
that.
size and dominance, I think there's an intimidation factor that Joel and
Yeah.
to the game
Fight me.
on over the other two.
Fight me. Don't fight me. I'm actually weak. I just look big. Yeah, that makes sense. I don't know. How? Bro! JJ, chill.
Expecting the pass.
Chill.
React to that kind of shot.
I am not a normal.
He's against Okafor. Pass to Pascal.
Yeah, I'll back you down like this.
Defense is right there. A fader. And there the Warriors now.
That doesn't make sense!
Even though he was undrafted,
How did that go in?
nice to see Che end up on an NBA team. You knew the talent.
That doesn't make sense. That doesn't make sense. It doesn't make sense.
I honestly was shocked that no
I don't know why I jumped whenever I actually could have made an effect if I didn't.
offices might be wanting a duel if Che ends up sticking with his team. Cool the pass to Pascal. Golden State moving it around.
That's okay, that's okay. Here, I got you. I'll do a pick where I actually just push them. Because I don't think that, I guess that's how that works.
Golden State needs to get off a shot. But they'll get another chance. Smiley and two shots.
I'm a smiley geech. Smiley geech.
And there's the foul against New Orleans.
Smiley geech. I'm just gonna call him Smiles. If you don't mind. You're Smiles now. Your nickname is now Smiles. Get over it. And we win against the New Orleans Pelicans. Ha ha ha. Can't beat us. We're good. Honestly, in real life, if Curry and Clay were both in good health, that isn't how that would have turned out. If we're being honest. I don't know. New Orleans fans are probably happy. Warriors fans probably aren't. You guys in the comments, tell me what y'all's favorite team is. Huh. I'm just gonna skip all this.
That was great.
Nobody likes me. Nobody wants to talk to me. Ooh, something's about to happen. Something's about to happen, unless it's not. No. I still don't have any friends.
What's up, man? Yeah, I'm done. What's up, Pat?
I get to talk later. Except not really. Because it's all a lie. Nothing's real. The world is flat. Any flat earthers out there? Probably not. I don't know. Have you guys ever noticed that the Flat Earth Society is just fess? Fess up. Tell us the truth. I'm retarded. Yes, I am. Let's just rebound a lot. Why am I doing this? That's a good question. Why do I have so much VC? That's another good question. Man, you're on a roll. Let's just do that. I'm never gonna get endorsements. Many potential endorsements. And I know that soon I'm gonna get endorsements. So yeah. Anyway, with that, guys, make sure you go look at these videos. And I'll see you guys in the next episode. Also, shout out to Blueberry Demon. She has been shouting me out on her channel, and I want you to go take a look at her. Bye, guys.